Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 18. I have already discussed 17 lectures in this series of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This web designing series contains the lectures of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a complete package, it is a complete series which will contain all the three elements which are required to design a web page, and those three elements are HTML, that is hypertext markup language, CSS, that is cascading style sheet, and the JavaScript, which is the client side scripting language. I will try my best to cover all these three as soon as possible on this web series. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell. And if you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing Fameword Educational Hub. Let's start with our lecture number 18, and this is going to be very interesting for you to learn that how to apply the styles in your web page. And here I am going to demonstrate example of inline styling. I have already demonstrated few more example of inline style sheet, and today this is also an example including inline style sheet, but I promise it would be different from the previous one. So here you can see that h2 is the heading tag, you know it very well. Style is the attribute which is the inline styling element, and we are using this with the heading tag. So here background color. Till now, we have just applied the text color using the style. We have applied the background color of the body in the body tag using the styling, also using the simple HTML tags also. I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't, then go through the playlist of HTML lectures, that is web designing series, so you will get many different concepts which you haven't heard yet. So let's continue. Here we are going to give the background style. We are going to give the style which is the background color, and I have just given the color red, but don't think that it will give the text color. It will make a highlight of red color beyond this. So here second one is background color orange, background color yellow, background color blue, color white, background color cyan. So let's go to the browser and check what are the outputs of these particular codes. Then I will illustrate you them much better. So it's lecture number 18. Now I'm going to open with Google Chrome. I'm going to open this file with Google Chrome. You can use your favorite browser. And here is it. So now you can see it that we are getting a whole line, a whole highlighted segment on our browser, and it's looking so cool. I hope you like it and you are enjoying this video. And this is the style which I have applied here with the help of background color, which is an attribute, a style attribute which we are using for the inline styling with this h2 tag, that is heading tag, and we are giving the background color. And now you can see the change, the difference between the background color, the text color, the font color, and the color. So there are both these two keywords are new here, as I haven't used background color or the color in the previous lecture. In any of the previous lecture, I haven't used them. So you can see that the background color red, then the text color is coming as black, and the background color for the whole of the heading is red. Then it is orange as we have prescribed. Then it is yellow as we have prescribed. Then it is blue with the color white, and the color white is the meaning that we will get the color of the text as white with the background color blue, as you can see it clearly. Then it comes cyan. So background color set by using cyan. So now you can see the effects which we are getting on the browser, and it's so cool. And I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and let them know the new technique of applying background color and highlighting their text on their websites, web pages, and their mini projects, their projects which they are making, you are making in your curriculum. This channel will always include technical videos All the technical tech videos will be included here. This channel includes various courses like C, C++, Java, Triple C, O level, and many more computer science and information technology related videos and courses. So don't forget to check out the channel playlist so you will get more options to explore yourself and to enhance your knowledge. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.